Welcome back. So today I'm going over the renutriv, I believe it's called, facial massager. So this product is $175. It's pretty much a facial massager. You use it on your cheekbone, on your cheeks, and then you go to your jawline. So you're supposed to do on each side 3 times, okay? 3 times on your jaw, 3 times on your cheek, and 3 times on your cheekbone. Right now I'm going in with the Kiehl's toner. I'm just cleaning whatever's left, any residue, if there's any. I did wash my face before and did my usual skincare routine. So now I'm going in with the serum of Chanel, and the full name would be Hydra Beauty Micro Serum. So I already put that to my face, and I'm going with the roller. So when you roll back down, you actually don't apply pressure, only when you're rolling up. So I'm doing that for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to my cheekbone. You see how I apply the pressure, pushing towards up, and then no pressure going down. And I also do it for my forehead. The instructions don't say anything about that. It's just something I do, and I do it to the nose as well. And then I also go underneath my eyes. The good thing about this facial massager is it's very cool tone. I don't have to refrigerate it, which is nice. Right now I'm going with the Chanel Hydra Cream and a Thea Eye Serum. Now I'm using the roller again, 3 times in each portion on each side. I'm gonna go under my eyes and just kind of depuff that area. And this is the final of it. I'm gonna apply the Estee Lauder. This is the Night Pure Color Envy Night Gloss, as you could say, to repair your lips. That way when you wake up in the morning, you have nice soft lips. And that's it. So you do that 3 times. And the lip, and that's it. I really do recommend this product. I know there's other facial massagers out there, but I really like this one, and I do recommend.